Hey everybody, this is Justin Patterson from Drexel University, and I'm here to talk about some of the updates I've made to my adaptive hypermedia test since the weekend. The goal of this project, just to review, is to create a game that reacts to individual user abilities and changes the way that it presents itself based on that information. And that, in a nutshell, is adaptive hypermedia. And in the context of this game, it's a math game. So right now, you'll see it says 1 plus 1 equals what? I see a 2 block. I say pick up this 2 block, drop it in, press OK, and then it generates another problem. But you'll see this time, one update I've done, besides basic bug fixes, is I've added functionality to test for variables as opposed to just putting in the result. And eventually, in terms of adaptivity, it would allow the user to answer for the result until it decides that the user is at a skill level to try doing a different problem, which would be a variable-based algebraic problem like this. But instead of using x or y, it'll present it as a question mark, and then eventually present it as an x, so that the user understands that it's still a type of algebra problem. So I know that I need 9. I see my 6 block. And I need my 3 block. Lo and behold, let's plop them in here. Great job. So those are the updates I made. I kind of cleaned up picking up items, and I cleaned up some of the other background code. And lastly, I added the functionality of variable-based math as opposed to only solving for the result. Another thing to note is I changed the presentation of the problems. Now instead of always kind of showing the answer, I kind of fixed up the code so the answer is now only a question mark, which is a small fix, but still should be said. Alright, this is Justin Patterson from Drexel University.